So, welcome back, and this video is just to talk about dimensions, and I'm going to go through it pretty quick. Basically, if we want to double check our measurements or make sure things are set up the way they need to be, one quick way to do that is to use the dimension tool. So if you use the dimension tool, it's available if you have the full toolbar on. It's this one here. Or you can also go to Tools and find the dimension tool there. Then, once you have the dimension tool active, you are able to select edges or positions and create dimensions for those. What we're going to do is make dimensions for the main spots. So if we want a dimension from here to here, we pull out and we can see that that is in fact 30 feet. And then let's say I want a dimension from here to here, pull out, that is in fact 24 feet. Then the one that I'm curious about is the height. I want to know what the height is. So what I could do is I could click from here to here and pull out this way. And right now the height is sitting at 9 feet 4 1/8 inches. And that's a bit weird. Maybe I want to adjust it a little bit. So what I would do is I could take my push-pull tool and I could actually grab the top at any point and lift it up. And I can actually see the measurement dynamically updating. So I could maybe bring it all the way to 10.25. I'm pretty happy with that. And basically that's how dimensions work. You can just add dimensions in, and then as you change things, it'll actually dynamically change in the appropriate size. So feel free to add dimensions as you're going so that you can actually see how things are, and it also helps you to double check against your floor plan so you know that everything is built to the size that you need. All right, and next we're going to talk about interior walls.